Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gus with Kelly Rebuildables, and like I told you, not on my last video, but the one before that, that I was thinking of buying a card through autobidmaster.com. I did. I'm not gonna show it to you guys in this video, but I do want to show you the way I did it. Just like I said, there's a lot of people that want to buy cards here in California, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work for other states. So I also know that a lot of you have heard of a lot of autobidmaster.com. So um, if I missed something very important, let me know in the comment section, guys. So check out the video, share the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment. So yeah, let's get to it. For those of you that want to buy cars from Copart and tried a lot of things, so when the broker is your only option, let's do it. So let's go to the screen. So that's the website. um, so you're gonna search autobidmaster.com and this is gonna pop up. So what you want to do is register. Right here at your right side top, you see the register now button. So you're gonna hit that. You can register with Facebook or with Google or however you guys want to do it. The main thing is register. I'm gonna show you the way I did it. So you're gonna put your name, of course, your last name. So for my first name, I'm gonna do Kelly Rebuildables. Now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do Kelly, and in my last name, I'm gonna put Rebuilds. Now for your email address, go ahead and put your email address. I'm gonna put a different email address because I'm already registered to it. So of course I'm gonna block it because that's somebody else's email address. So um, so fill all that out. So and hit register now. So you're already registered. So you start off with the basic membership. You still can't bid because you need to deposit the $400, but I'm in advance. I have the advanced membership. I'll show you right now. So on top of there says your basic membership has been activated. If you need to bid on more than one vehicle, increase your buyer power beyond 4,000. So $4,000 is the minimum. So if you're gonna buy more than one car with your basic, you need to go more than 4,000. So you need to go back to your email address because AutoBidmaster is gonna send you an email to confirm your email address and um, and activate, I think, from the email address. So go back to your email address and search for an email that they're gonna send you. So okay, guys. So you're gonna go to your email. You're gonna see the email that AutoBidmaster sent you. You click on that, and this is what's gonna pop up. So it's gonna give you your login information and your password. You could always reset those. So the next thing to do is increase the buyer power. Back to the website, and this is where you're gonna deposit. So the minimum you could do is, see, right now we're at 0. So the minimum you could do is $4,000. Okay, so you can't go less than that. So you're gonna need a credit card for that. Hit deposit, and use a credit card. You could use a debit card. I'm pretty sure you could use it, but you probably need that money for the car or for other expenses that you might encounter later on. So if I were you, I would just use a credit card. That's the way I did it. So fill up all the information, put your name, all your info, the credit card that you're gonna use, and and do it and just deposit. It's gonna let you know that you have deposit, and then later on I don't know if it's gonna be right away or later on, it's gonna ask you for your driver's license. So you need to upload your driver's license before you start bidding. Um, but within the deposit, you're good. It's gonna let you know you're good. It's gonna let you know that your buyer power is 4,000. So now you could upgrade to advanced if you want. Because right now you're in basic, and let me show you guys the difference. You can only buy one vehicle with basic, and with this one is unlimited. So you can see the fees are different, but the fees is not what made me go to advanced. You won't notice the difference unless you buy a $10,000 car. Then you'll see the difference. But otherwise, if you're gonna buy cars like me, cheaper cars, you won't even notice the difference. So that's not the reason I upgraded to advanced. Um, this is the main thing I did it for. Here on preliminary bidding, so you could do either on both of them are the same, but on live bidding you can see on the basic you can't, and in advanced you could. So I like buying my cars in live auction. That's why I upgraded to advanced. So I don't know, that's just personal, but you don't need that to start buying cars from Copart. You know, so you can start buying right away. Um, but for me, I like buying live auctions a lot better. So for me, that's why I went to advanced. You could do that also, and you'll find live auction sometimes. Your the cars Some cars go cheaper in live auction because you're not because you're in live. You're seeing all the cars. So that's a good feature. So um, now from the advanced to the other one, there's not that much difference besides the 20 history reports. That's one of the differences, and also the fees. But like I said, if you're buying a $10,000 car, you notice the fees. If you're not gonna buy a $10,000 car, if you're gonna buy cars like I said earlier, $1,000 cars, then that's not a good. You won't see the difference in the fees. So just hit upgrade later. If you don't want to upgrade right now, you could do always that later on. There's no problem. So just hit upgrade later. It's gonna send you to a different page. Okay, so right here on the top on your right side, you're gonna see documents and IDs right there. Go ahead and click that. This is where you have to be now. So it's asking you to upload your driver's license. So get your camera, your phone, snap a picture of your driver's license, upload it to your computer, and upload it to the website. That's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. You just take a photo of it. So or that it doesn't support that photo, it'll let you know. But otherwise, you should be okay. The basic one, you could do preliminary bids. You could buy it now or bid. You could start buying cars. Pretty much that's it. You could start buying cars. But you can't do live bidding on live auctions unless you upgrade to advanced. But let me show you guys. And like I said, I bought my first car through AutoBidMaster. So I tried it. It's okay. If you don't have any other way to do it, this is a good way. Um, and I mean, there's other ways to do it, but like I said, if you tried it and you can't, broker's a good option. Um, just take advantage of it, guys. So go ahead and try it and start, doing what you want to do with the car. Start buying the cars. There's a couple things I didn't like about this broker, but we'll get to that in a moment. Okay, so here's this car. Let's check this one out. The first one. You don't see Detroit, but it doesn't matter. I mean, you can go ahead and search for the cars in your state. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this one. So just hit the buy it now. I don't know if it's gonna let me because in this new account I haven't, you know, deposited the $400, but let me see. Okay, so there we go with the basic. This is all you can do. Bid now, you just put the money there and just bid right away, or put your max bid, and you'll wait to the live auction and see if you get it. Or you could buy it now, but if you buy it now, see, $375 is gonna go all the way to $938 out the door. You don't have to pay more than that. But one thing that you might want to keep in mind, because that's when I found out after I bought the car, so it's something very important. So Auto Bid Master, if you go through Auto Bid Master, Copart won't release the car to you. Okay, so they'll release it to a shipping company, or they'll release it to a towing company. Those are the only two options you have for you to get the car. If you go in person with your information, they will not release the car to you. So that'll be an extra charge, a big charge. That'll be a lot of money if you're far away from the car. So try to buy local. If the farther it is, the more you're gonna end up paying. Why? Because you're gonna have to take your trailer, and let's say if you really can't, because every Copart yard is gonna be different. They should do the same thing, but sometimes people act differently. So if they just want to be messed up and force you to get a tow truck, imagine how much your tow truck is gonna charge you if you have to use a tow truck to release the car and take it all the way 4 or 5 hours away. Or maybe a shipping company. Because Auto Bid Master will give you some links, for the shipping company they use. So if you're like 5 hours away, they're gonna charge you $700, $600. So that'll be a problem if you're really far away. The way I did it, I went to the Copart yard. There's a lot of tow truck drivers there. So I went to one of them and asked them how much would they charge me to go and release the car. So he said, hey, I'll charge you $60 and I'll go right now and release the car. He's gonna need the buyer number and the lot number. So I gave him the lot number and the buyer number. He went inside the office, he released it and gave me the release paper, gave it to the forklift driver, and that's good. I paid him $60. So keep that in mind, guys. You will get in a problem, into a big issue if you don't keep that in mind. So now, for you to pay the car, you can't pay with the credit card. So that kind of sucks that you're doing online shopping. But you have to. They'll give you after you win a car, they'll send you some information for you to do a wire transfer. So you need to go to the bank, do a wire transfer, and they'll let you know that they received the payment and some information for you to go pick up the car. So that's pretty much it, guys. Register, deposit the $400, upload your driver's license. If you can upgrade to advance, that's okay. If not, you could still start buying. You could easily check the car by now and see how much you're gonna pay, $938 or whatever the price is, and then keep in mind how much they're gonna charge you. Copart will give you a quote, not Copart, Auto Bid Master is gonna give you a quote for the shipping. So also consider that, because sometimes if you're gonna spend around the same amount of money for you to go pick up, that they'll deliver it to you. So it's really up to you, but keep in mind that it will go up to $938 because of the shipping and your trailer, and for you to go pick up, and how much the tow truck is gonna charge you. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. If you haven't register to my channel. Go to the comment section, leave me a comment if I missed something. Share the video, like the video. Let me know what you guys think, and see you guys in the next video.